First of all, you got friends. You got me. No one never.
Joaquin Valley Transparency. This is a video from Arizona Auditor. I woke up and I started watching this video and I was blown away. Happy 4th of July, everyone. This right here is a video that reminds me of why we do this, and it makes me so proud to have a person like Noah Neva, a supporter I know he's commented on my videos, and I know he's been supportive of a lot of other First Amendment auditor channels. This video is mind-blowing. It's absolutely beautiful. So this kid, this young guy right here in front, you see with the camera, the light. Arizona Auditor was recording a cop watch. This guy gets pissed off and he just starts recording Arizona Auditor and just starts getting in his face. And Arizona Auditor says, "Okay, let's go get your car, get your license plate." This kid gets all pissed off. You see the officer's going to be standing around, not really trying to de-escalate anything. He does mention, I do want to give the officer credit for mentioning to the kid's mom, who also walks up, that not to be getting into the personal space because everybody has a right to record. So I do give the officer credit for that. But Noah Neva, an Arizona Auditor, and the guy that shows up at the end, Tempe, thank you.
Get away from my car.
You want to play games, bro?
Away from my car. We're doing one playing games here. It's Pete and repeat.
All right, BVV 3727, yes.
Get the fuck away, bro. No. Yes, it makes me feel a lot better.
Come on down.
It's cherry on the top through a 12-hour day. It's alright.
From here?
Yeah, he's from here. He's fucking dirty. What are those?
Man, please don't get in my personal space.
What are those?
I'm gonna defend myself.
What are those? You touch my mom, I fucking end your life right now.
Hey. You guys each have the right to record, but please respect each other's space.
Yes,
Please.
So now am I too close?
You're in my personal space, ma'am. Please step out of my personal space.
Well, you're in my personal space.
Please.
You're in my son's personal space.
No, he just has nothing better to do except record. He doesn't even have a car. Obviously, he's walking.
So let me ask you some questions. Let me interview you.
Yeah, let's interview.
Are you trying to frame the Phoenix PD because of all the crap that's happening with PD? All cities, Mesa, Phoenix. Is that what you're doing? Trying to frame them?
Thank you, Tempe Against Police Violence.
This is for you, buddy. All for you. Read and weep. Read in between the lines. There you go. Like that? Thought that was funny? Let me get a heart for that. Show me you love me. Because obviously you love him.
So we got 1 year to leave.
Like the peach fuzz. This fucker's got it too.
Autobots, fall back! Get to the tower! Cybertron has fallen.
I bet all of those friends do different states, bro.
Yeah, I got that earlier in the stream, guys. So if anybody goes back, you can see actually the license plate and
That's right, you know who I am? I'm fucking Noah. Noah Never. That's right. You're fucking talking about he can't do a fucking push-up?
He can't.
Why'd you shut your fucking mouth? You never served this country, I did.
Yeah, let's calm down.
Okay, where'd you serve?
Good.
Where'd you
It
serve?
ain't no good.
You're calling him fucking
It ain't
names.
no good,
Go
did it?
away.
Why don't you do your fucking job?
Go away.
All right?
Go
I
away.
fucking served my country, retired U.S. veteran.
Fuck.
You let him speak to him like that?
Go
And you're,
away.
who are you?
Go away.
Mary Poppins?
Yes, go away.
He's making fun of him.
Go away.
You're using, you know what you're talking, you hear what he's fucking saying it to him?
Get out of here.
Here, then do something.
Calm down. I'm right here. You gotta yell at me.
I'll call your watch commander.
Go ahead.
Yeah? First of all, he's incited disorderly conduct under the penal code for the Arizona revised statute. All right? First of all, your scene awareness is completely egregious. Excuse me, officer, what's your name? Officer, I'm talking to you.
There you go, guys.
Officer who?
There you go.
Talk to you. Officer, what's your name?
Kid took off. He went back to his car real quick.
Do your fucking job.
This man right here is Noah Neva. He is a supporter of the First Amendment audits. And when I seen this part right here, my heart was just pounding. And I felt like he was a protector of us. I felt like he understood what we were doing. And I felt like he's a true American. He fought for this country. He served. And today is 4th of July. And I didn't expect to feel this way when I woke up, when I saw this video. But this man touched me. He touched my heart. And a lot of times we're out there recording. We get a lot of shit. We get a lot of people in our face, police officers arresting us or twisting our arms or, you know, just pushing us around. And this man right here is what all of America should be doing, protecting its people. Noah Neva, thank you so much, man. Thank you, brother. Happy 4th of July.
First of all, you got friends. You got me. No one never. And no one's gonna fuck with you. You understand?
Appreciate that, brother.
These fucking two cops, lineman officers that don't know their fucking job. And that fucking runt was talking to you like a piece of shit. That's bullshit. He never served this country. I did. I served in the Army and the Marine Corps. He's telling you you can't do a fucking pull-up? He never wore the uniform and he's worried about you doing a fucking pull-up. Why don't you shut your fucking mouth? I served this fucking country, you fucking teenage runt. Do you know who this man is right here? He's an auditor, a First Amendment auditor. Did you ever read the First Amendment? You're not even old enough to read bubblegum wrappers. Freedom of speech,
There it is, guys.
freedom of press, freedom to assemble, freedom to watch these blue douchebags do their fucking job.
There it is, guys.
Unfucking believable. I cannot believe you got two line officers blocking traffic and not even be able to control a 15-year-old runt who makes fun of a First Amendment auditor who's practicing his First Amendment rights. Two fucking douchebags. And you wonder why you earn the hate.
Oh, yeah.
You don't even know how to do your job as a policeman. What the hell did you learn in the academy? Unfucking believable. And that little runt talking about the military, I'd like to see him in boot camp for 12 weeks in the Marine Corps. Let him fucking wear a uniform and then tell this First Amendment auditor what the fuck he needs to do. That worthless scumbag over there telling you, making fun of you. I counted 40 times in which he degraded you verbally, cursed at you 40 fucking times, and you provide a service for that fucking runt. Do you realize that he was watching you so those guys don't mistreat you? Do you realize that, you piece of garbage?
They're awesome, bro.
Unbelievable. I've seen a lot of things in my day, but when these cops allow a teenager who never served this country make fun of a First Amendment auditor, they ought to be ashamed of themselves. Yeah, look like you. See, there he is right there.
It is, guys.
There you go. Piece of garbage. You make your mother proud, son. You make your mother proud. No First Amendment auditor in this town, when Noah Neva is around, is ever going to get fucked with when Noah's here.
I appreciate you.
You
man.
okay?
Yeah, I appreciate you.
You all right?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah. I subscribe to your channel.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, Defend is my buddy.
Is he?
Yeah, Defend.
awesome,
Eric
man.
Brandt is great. Defend.
Yeah.
But I live in Arizona. You
He
know
got
what I
out
mean?
today. He was out here. Oh, wow. Defend?
Yeah, I know. He came over to my house.
Oh,
We had
yeah, I know.
coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, he came. We had coffee. What a
Yeah.
great guy, you know.
Yeah.
These are those bastards up there in
Colorado. He's on Colorado.
yeah,
right?
Colorado. Scumbag cops arrested my buddy. That pissed me off today, so I'm already pissed off.
Yeah.
What are they teaching these cops in the academy? Will someone please tell me? Do they have any interpersonal skills, any whatsoever? Do they know how to control? Look at this kid. Look at him.
Everybody wants to know if you got a channel.
What's that?
Everybody wants to know if you got a channel. If you broadcast or record.
And I looked and I found the channel, guys. Noah Neva, 75 subscribers. I'm his 76th subscriber, proud to be. Go subscribe to Noah and go tell him on his video that he put up. Thank you.
No, I have recorded. I'm going to do that next year.
All right.
I just moved out here in West Phoenix. I bought a home way out on the west side.
All right.
I'm a First Amendment supporter.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
donate money. I backed them.